Hello boos, I'm currently outside of our Don Mills location right now. I'm about to go inside and show you guys some of my favorite products and products that are really helping lash technicians get booked up based on what clients are looking for and what they can't find at most technicians. If you're doing something outside of the norm that clients, specialty clients specifically, are looking for, it's really going to help increase your bookings. So come with me, let's go inside Don Millie. We call it Don Millie, Don Millions. Let's go check out these specialty products. Come with me. Okay guys, we're inside of Don Mills now. First up is the fellas lashes, men's lashes, because we are inclusive girlies. So these are lashes for men, and if you don't already offer men's lashes, you're missing out, and so are the dudes. So next up, Lashgod Portugal. These are our flat lashes. They're concave, they hug the natural lash, and your retention is going to be so much longer. These ones specifically are L curl. If you don't already offer L curl, your clients deserve to look like a fairy. And check out this packaging. I'm not biased because it's my face on it. It's really just that cute. Alright guys, next product, baby drip trays. If you don't already use these are pre-made spikes. You can use them for wet sets or to do textured, wispy, or spiked looks. Definite add to cart. Alright guys, next up, glow in the dark trays. For all of your funky clients that want to glow, you're depriving them of glowing, and we have these in like 10 different colors. So check out our glow in the dark trays. Check out the lava lamp. You guys already know I designed these nostalgia style for you. Those are my recommendations to help you guys elevate your lash biz. Stay tuned for more.